Hey guys, I'm Luke. And that's Mike, and he's recording this.
Oh yeah, I'm Mike, and I'm recording this.
Yeah, and he was gonna do this with me, but, you know, he's like, I don't know the tune.
Oh yeah, just for the record, this is Luke Douglas that we mentioned so many times in the videos. So, anyways, this is a rap that Luke wrote, a Jesus rap. It's possibly the greatest work of art of all time.
Mike consulted. So.
Yes.
Here we go! So they're finally here, performing for you. If you know the words, you can join in too. Put your hands together if you want to clap as we take you through this holy rap. Oh, Jesus! Jesus Christ! He's the leader of the bunch. You know him well. He's finally back to save us from hell. His body and blood can save the worst, and when he forgives ya, it won't hurt. He's the Son of God. He's coming to save you. He's the first member of this holy crew. Huh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Jesus Christ is Lord. This prophet's got style, so listen up, dudes. He can speak to God and bring plagues upon you. He's not a great speaker when he needs to be, but he can turn rivers into blood and part the seas. If you choose him, you'll not choose wrong. With a staff in his hand, he led the Jewish throngs. Ha! Jesus! Jesus Christ. He has a beard. He has God's grace. This man saved the human race. He saved the animals 2 by 2, and he built an ark just for you. He lived on it for a whole year too. This prophet was one cool dude. Huh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Jesus Christ is Lord. He's back again, and about time too. And this time, he's in the mood. He can deter evil spirits with a harp song. With a slingshot in his hand, he can do no wrong. He'll make you smile when he plays his tunes, but giants beware, because he's after you. Huh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Finally, he's here. Finally, he's here for you. The last member of this holy crew. This warrior so strong, it isn't funny. He makes the Philistines cry out for their mummies. He can slay an army with relative ease and makes destroying temples look like a breeze. He may be slow-witted, which kinda caused him to die, but this soldier's one heck of a guy. Huh! Yeah, that was, if you can't tell...
Oh my gosh!
If you can't tell, that was almost entirely like the DK rap with some things changed.
That was the most beautiful thing I've ever heard.
The DK rap from Donkey Kong 64, an awesome game from my childhood.
It is a great game.
Yeah, it is a wonderful game. So, I mean, in case you didn't know this, me and Mike are like Catholic.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, we're like...
Religious, awesome.
Yeah, we're like super Catholics. Like not like super duper Catholic. Well,
like we can't fly.
No. Like we're not Jesus, but we are pretty Catholic.
We're into it. We're
Yeah.
definitely into it.
Like on a scale from 1 to 10, like 7?
I'd say 7 or 8, yeah.
7 or 8?
Yeah,
Like
up there.
Like we're not perfect, but you know.
Yeah, like we actually go to mass and all that stuff. We're not like the Catholics that just say they're Catholics. We are.
I went like twice a week for a while, and then, you know, I had things that got in the way of things, so...
So he's still... now he goes once a week.
Yeah, should we...
So, yeah. Yep.
Should we sign off?
Yeah, I think we should now sign off.
Okay, goodbye.
See you guys. Toodaloo. Oh, and Paul is awkwardly in the back this whole time.
What's up?
See ya.
So